Okay, a very nice one there. Nay, weekend, yeah, church, mama, kwaba, sonko, kwanso. On the eve of the big game, Asante Kotoko, any hearts of folk, tata, so nyaketwa, ewo Accra, Sports Stadium, na ebe kikim, ebe bomfrete. Yede unchemu nyina, some exclusively live on GH Live Studios, na yama reporter, ho dua. Editie na edi se onso o sabete na watimi atwa so akọ anim ewom na on this very episode yamfa we nsomo calf ayisika botany bi ato de ma Asante Kotoko emu nchemu nyina no ye bono tofa pokikrao enye matrama kwan so na ye de ni nyina no asomo ewo sa episode yi mu na yatumi akoye ni Asante Kotoko aye one major signing edi aka ho. And also, yeah, about some more was Jumadi so na bibia timi akos announcement no about Monday, but yeah, the bibiano to so at the amount 10 times so right on this show now yet to me about Yantusha Asante Kotoko squad ekwako piemu ewon kran no me pacho said you nim ya kase ewo yen sada from Friday ni nyina in fact Thursday Friday no any ram Saturday ya ba be sisu nyina no ya ka ho asem but ya mo squad no for the respect ayedema yan chief executive producers and afin so mpanyufo a womo and the tunia tiam Kotoko ni nti no omo se my mo squad bia nti see atena se abobo squad ndie ebe yehrodon rather sem e de amaye se bebo Kotoko victory and aye hwehwe enye se yewura madom suko aye na from ramehwe no and aye di akire but de tie na ede nkurimdie baba and ye bo no tofa edi ama wo sa show yi so ntentam so na yetumi akoyanim ewo mu now yenya djuma we ntem so na yenkua no yere nsam pa ne nyina Asia okay that's right more GH live na ene calf I meeting kese chenchenche pa and somehow draw free mu ba already did the cat Edwin Simon Okrekum and pennyfoy in his competition how do I bono Africa bibrem hono that is calf interclub competition no wano enemra me titira ni kase a wonda no na afi biantimi nkoso yenim dara so na second vice president edema calf ekubata and that is calf enye fedi agrokra ora Patrice Motsepe ono en second vice and yema ekoso currently ono na ebo adwumaden as a Ghana Football Association president but in the post ba ko asanya ka ho no and say interclub competition CAF Confederation Cup Champions League Super Cup name them sa agudi ayedie nyina ekuwekuokuokuo clubs wa Africa yen competition kabo mbono wono ene be twetwe ne obeda no we etodwa abra CAF ekubata na hyiamu a wono ADD won ho ababa ahwama bibia akoso okay offer amajupenic yes alatani no ono he's back again so ababa special advisor to CAF president ora Dr. Patrice Motsepa eno edi frimu eba na approval na call edi ama executive committee and say no almost agiatum enyo ono nko offer Danny Jordan ono so South African so ono so wayina ka ho special advisor for Papa Patrice Motsepe enti eno eni nchemu kakra etwa edi gwa edi nsasem no ema yenetiefo ewo mo na story kase a edimu na edi tie pa ese edi ma yenetiefo eni say competition a yebo na Africa no sika eba bebam droso na Kotoko benefit pokikra enye keto abaransa na yemfa wentu anim Asante Kotoko eni Lord Hilary Adabo awie bibia na Lord Hilary Adabo eba be player edi ama bobokwa efra wonsa Asante Kotoko boboko no eno eni di enima edi to jade ama in a tier for right on this very show so they won't even know ya catch us say boboko Samates ebo sikabotene eno eye beyesa 3 billion ena Kotoko ni omo kan ya so oh ye betua say ni ade ena Kotoko so 1.5 no me hwe moboa ene eno so ye foreign move bi kra da on ma sa mo mpede ye kwa kodi akiri ena me no kase de Kotoko sa twi o machiko ba ye 1.5 billion ena Kotoko OTD no omutua no outrightly eri amaboboku aye from say Samates na fe 500 million beka 1 2 billion no later on almost had the abanti sikano almost an installment outdoor mienu eno kakra to ja edi ama in a tier for na player no where midfielder defensive midfielder and osanso CM that is central midfielder eno nchemu kakra tienie emame na on this summer tesesia kan bebro besa dia sansia and about as many as 29 games edema RTU so na ukokopia mu a CAF competition a summer-test boy no na odimu akutini ye papa enya ketua chese ne modern more boy edema bobo kwaye from summer-test CAF competition mu no na poke crowd Premier League ni mu de Ghana kwan so no wasi akan makoma kwadwo siam yenu that is 4,423 minutes and watimi asi akan ewo mu na CAF Champions League nso ye kan ho draw miensa and wasi akan no de 270 minutes and nei watimi enya ewo tase the draw mu a enya fedi agro kra na ebasi yeshe goals dia goals any ni ball no mu sa yellow card ahodo nwotwe and as many as 65 games awabono nensa atumi aka both RTU summer-test and afenso CAF competition otimi ebo yenemu na enei sade yenemu no bosome a your friend is a match bosome no ne da to so dumiensa the year 2004 and ononso enei na wofo ewo no na eso hemu a odonso eso akakra nya ketwa kra na yanto so na yemfa nsem ne bi ento animo da Costa Owusu a ono esi akan edema bo kwaye from so golden kick no Asante Kotoko the transfer proposal eko to na nim se ne krache jitum ono wa entourage no na be si akan efama bo kwaye from so Asante Kotoko na the atia no say Estonia football club bi sika be wura nei anhwe ya ne move to Kotoko no entintam obekwa kotoa so ama bobo kwaye from one say ne Estonia football club no ewo Estonia Portamon man ne kakra di tuja ama yenachie for ewo mo now Lord Adabo Hilary the personal terms with Kotoko no it's materialized and I say it's finalized abibia eded afem brel defensive midfielder no newly recruited for Asante Kotoko into nyamebo Monday expect official announcement no na bibia ntimi enter from enfama ewo mo da Costa Owusu de and ayediaman President Cup baso na Asante Kotoko Ewini President Cup makoma watwe sanso ena bobo kwa yefra won se hat folk nso ewini impre awodo nsia na Asante Kotoko akodra sumdwem ewon kran pumpuni mantemu a bibia no osibrete a osi bantima kotia ekwa kodi nkunim ama nema awie peye edi ama krobia ama poma metama Asante Kotoko now they say buses awodo nso ai ready ewo Accra various constituency a enei womo basi amanfo dewa akwa stadium na two teams ni nyina no enya one various supporters asafata Asantema mo nso ene basi awodo no ebetu ahomache that is Saturday enumre rada ade ebeche kwasiada no ene ne basi no nso ebekwa kopie mu bia ye friend say Accra no ebetumi aye adwuma ewo man no kakra to dwa ewo mu now yankwa yanim na yenya story enfama tentem so ehia pa ebra ye Lord Hilary Adabo de no yenkwa CAF obiem na papa ya oda wo screen yi so yi ye friend Dr. Patrice Motsepe na oyobi a wahwebo se opese oboa na revive Africa football no pa wose nani abre opese sika bam tefa ebam onfia duosia miensa 63 ye friend Patrice Tropeni Motsepe wono ena ono ehwe akire ehwe ni mu kama se otitira ni edema CAF Kubata no na the 7th president incumbent wise so that's tia benya so wono ena beso CD Ahmad se see CAF ye meeting kese baako ahead of ema afcon eba betodwa no na papa yi asaye na ade ni biem o say last year afia etwa mu no interclub competition teams qualify here kobo ye nyina no omo obi a $50,000 se monye na monfa enye preparation na monfa enkomani mu na enai o se osa to aso sa enhye da moa ne senti no sika a wayi ato no a extend sika no yes odi bi aka ho pa enenei odi atu the $100,000 ena omo de ema obi a obo Confederation Cup ena obi nso a ono nso ebo Champions League wey and someone to dwa ewo mu enti CAF approve sa yantua sika $100,000 and from Asante Kotoko any bibi any gold stars enti abekwa akoye $200,000 o split ya Kotoko benya 100,000 na bobo kwa for say bibi any gold stars and so enya 100,000 enti respectively teams how do qualify or Africa countries how do nyina mo no woma ekobo interclub competition be talking about Champions League and after so Jumadia your friend said Confederation Cup Kotoko be last season on each club $50,000 for preparation but I feel 2025-2026 football season the year of our Lord we're increasing as the 50 back one akwa 100,000 per club yadi to ja ama in a tier 4 more. Yes, I think it's good news. Can you cry there? Unya numoni zone ana unya kapre. Nene usha asia ana unya $100,000. I think it's a step in the right direction. So the media journalists that come back no, you do for your heart and the money ye papa and ye for the agro crack. And you might than D na uraka to krekunsun ye no say ne wamra MSha interclub competition. So into of who kia dia no boy na jagani slot 2-2 no. And Kasaba be told ya kama nanka chire idea and also edia a news within the news and it's a Asante Kotoko akwako drew bia your friend is a craft some dream one hotel or more diam fan tuja hats of focus or bia or more lodge yam fan tuja or bia prepare no na yankodim kunim yedi nim say the best club no 1935 club Asante Kotoko one babo on tushi no ma twaso aba ben pa kwa nimu akodim kunim bia your friend said the president cup nimu na eniama timi awie peye yade yan report awdo nyina ebe free game na se dia bro you two fantastic journalists omo follow game na dia my rare super Ortega and afen so nanaba Kwame Gracious womo nyina ni di game na chi ene Kotoko akwa draw some gym bia your friend say akra nei enya keto akra nti stay glued to GH Live Studios na a video na buy na wo so na ko na ba mamenya story informa Emra any anybody just say Baba Yara Sports Stadium Pintin kwa Chidare AC Buoso Emma show video kama kama ewo hosem ye pa edema wo apesa Kotoko si akan ewo bia Friends Stadium wo hu a enie yes Baba Yara Sports Stadium current situation very very abysmal very bad pa poor and a dugout near to two and I did the Zoom Lion ball as some near do a stadium ball as our pa and I want calf competition. I dear firm Emma your book calf for Yomniako passing ball in a 2 hours. I mean, found co any man, baby, a coaches etna and yet in Kunyani, I bet to Nina Crash Sports Stadium. I cut 3 and 4 pet and I will be your friend said Kumasi Sports Stadium. Time as a film. Na me ba be kan ho asam dia cho wo hu ha hwe se dia ayo no se ya na ayo asam ya reho na ne senti Asante Kotoko management aye meeting dia fa ho adom ya Monday precisely dia yetete en se omoni owura ye friend se Kofi Adams our sports minister ena yaw ampofo Ankara wo mo esabe meeting kese ba kon e wa Accra wo mo de ye towa so beboa na niam Baba Yara elaki nyina no in about a couple of months a day anymore or matimia fix bibia man couldn't be about na Kotoko calf competition a Confederation Cup no yetimi abone Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium and no air credit to ja and so area some in a tier for a womunti se see Kotoko nya new match for abako e dia account friends Hilaria Dabro and our friends stadium so I don't be doing and as a nya boshe kwa and pay for air crowd say nay one baba buana o matimi asisi na yatimi repair say there be a betimi atoa so aboye ni games outdoor e ho no mo eno eni nchemu a eto just Asante Kotoko akwa draw some dwemu e obia your friend say ene Accra bibia de din yes bibia de din kama eno so nchemu akọ zito e say the mrantia na poised for action couldn't be kwan so ena offer didi drama ni so no so the order draw na any them wiemu boasom debate train na bibia kwaso ama wo mo but may the best club Asante Kotoko any nkunim na yentoa so na yemo yentuhire ntia do basi ya ka twa subscribe to the channel na de we che bia no ya de asomo kwan pa so thank you so much.
Did you enjoy that? There's so